We will take you through the Insignia die cutting system and how it achieves the die cutting process, including stripping out the finished die cut product. All of the Insignia machines are proudly made in the USA and are offered in 4 size models. We'll start with the feeding system of the machine. The Insignia feeding section features a pallet load capacity and individual sucker heads to contact each sheet, which allows for a wide range of adjustment on different types of stocks, as well as stock conditions. Variable and static batching capabilities are available within the feeder, as well as downstream within the delivery. Utilizing flexile cutting dies, Insignia offers the ability to change out die tools within minutes with no make-ready, which saves both time and material compared with traditional platen die cutters. Shown is a die tool being mounted onto the magnetic cylinder of an Insignia